Hi everybody, it's Laura with Jot and Tittle Vintage Typewriter. Before I get started, will you give me a thumbs up and subscribe? I always forget to ask people to do that, and it doesn't cost you anything, but it really helps us. So thanks so much. I am going to try to make this a very quick video. This is a 1962 Royal Dart Ultra Portable Travel Typewriter. Great little machine, and definitely in this particular one, and in my opinion, this is a good occasional casual writer. I don't know if all the darts are this way, but in my opinion, I didn't find it to be something that, like, if I wanted to really type on it for hours and hours, I don't know that that's what I would do with this one. I mean, this would be great for the coffee shop, and you're kind of sipping coffee and daydreaming and typing out a few things. That's this kind of typewriter. So let's real quick go and kind of review how to operate the Dart. So there's no tab on this. Your margins are back here, and here it is. There's the paper holder, and I actually really like the look of that one. And it sits down there nice and neat. So margins, press and drag. Got to press on the outside. Okay, this one has a very sweet bell. I like it. Also on the side, right here, that is your carriage lock. So if you press it down, there it goes, and get it engaged, then now it's not going to go anywhere. And then press up to release. There you go. So carriage release lever is the back metal lever. The forward one is your paper release. So like when you're loading, and let me tell you, this one loads so smooth. I mean, I really like how it loads. I mean, the carriage is very, very nice. So there's that. Oops, and you want to make sure it stays under that bar. So your paper release, you move it forward. If it's crooked, you fix it and then re-engage. On the left side, oh, I have it on 0, so it's not going to advance anything. Here's one, single lever, single line, spacing, double line. Okay, carriage release is only on the right side. All right, I'm going to move the carriage over to the left, pop open this top. You'll see it uses a single color. So pick a color that you can find that you like. Standard universal spool. We have the 2-inch spool in here right now. Just pops in and out. The ribbon goes over the top and around the back, to the bottom, around the top, back, bottom. Make sure it goes through these little double barrels, which also act as your ribbon reversal. The little guide wires, and then I'll hold it up so you can kind of see how it's threaded in there. So just put on some gloves, or just get your hands messy and thread it through. And I can't tell, I am the worst at threading ribbon, but yeah, there it is. So there's a little slit in the metal. Usually on these, you just look for the slit in the metal pieces, and you just slide that ribbon through the slit in there. Voila, bada boom, bada bing. This one has clips in the back, and you put the back in first. So you kind of come in at an angle and then snap it down, and make sure, hold on, I did this last night. Oh, it's down already. Last night it snapped. But make sure it's down all the way, because if you don't, then sometimes they run into trouble with the return handle. Super simple down here. It's a real basic typewriter, no tabs. So you have your backspace. Backspace does not erase. You have your margin release right here. Shift lock. And that's all there is to the Royal Dart. Let me do some typing so you can hear it, and I'll show you the margin release. There's the bell. Oh, it didn't. Oh, I don't have it in far enough. Duh. Okay, hold on. Let's move it in. Okay. Okay, so now it's stopped. The carriage stopped, but the typing didn't stop. So I'm going to hit that. now the carriage will keep going. So that is something about some typewriters, you know, the carriage will stop, but the typing won't. I find that a little annoying, but that's what some of them do. Okay, so that is the Royal Dart. Let me show you what the font looks like. Is that in? And that looks like a Pica font to me. Actually, it's really nice. I kind of like it. Nice and clean. Very good font. All right. That's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. See you later.